Okay, so we've downloaded Jamboree. I'm going to show you quickly how easy this is. So once you've right-click, say run, you want to click the MINDcraft button. It's going to check your GPU, see what size, and give you a big red warning if you don't have an external GPU. This is asking you if you want to use Ubuntu 2.04 as your clean default image. Just say yes. If you want OpenWebUI, that's part of what I already have set up with this script. Just say no if you don't want like a ChatGPT style thing that uses Ollama. So we're taking that Ubuntu images and we're converting it to a tar file. Then we're going to go ahead and download, start up that. This is a Windows subsystem for Linux instance, and we're going to go ahead and we're running that installer that's installing Ollama for us. And once that's done, it's going to configure it to start up on boot, and it's also going to download the latest model, or a small base model here, and that's what this part is. And the cool thing about this also is it all runs in its own local instance. So the Windows Subsystem Linux image is its own thing. All the environment is all contained in the same folder. That's a whole part of Jamboree, how it works. For the most part, everything in Jamboree is completely isolated to that folder. So you can technically move it around from one system to the other. You'll still get that warning if there's no dedicated GPU, but you could essentially, once you get it working, copy this folder, back it up. And if you have any changes or something, you can go from there and make any changes or edits or whatever. And then that way you know you have a good working build you can build from, and you know that it works. Alright, so we've got that base model downloading, we're checking it. Now we're setting it up so it listens on all interfaces for that setup. And you'll see it running in the background here. And this you'd need to do if you're going to be using this outside of locally. That'll help you set up the port forwards for Windows. We're checking downloading Java, Git, and Node, because we need all those to run Ollama, or we need all those to run Minecraft. So since Minecraft server is open, there's no cracking or anything you need. So this is the regular vanilla server starting up, and then we're going to actually check out MINDcraft after that, and we should be able to quickly fix this, swap the file out that's currently broken on the repo. So we're checking out the latest version. I'm going to fix this. There's a error in the actions file right now, so I've fixed that manually. And now we're installing Minecraft, which means we downloaded Node, we've checked out the latest version of Minecraft. Now we're actually installing it via npm install. And we'll let that marinate. And we've got Ollama running here in the background. I could have this show the output of the LLM itself, but that's fine. Now we get this message failed to send Ollama request. It doesn't mean that it works fine. So if you do get that message, or if you can't test locally, then there's probably some other things going on. So we'll go ahead and open up a little command prompt here by clicking cmd mdb, and there's a, we'll go to cd /cd. I think it's MindJam. Still have AT launcher set up here somewhere. So right now it's running. You can do whatever you want. You just can't see what it's doing because you don't have an actual whatever. So this is my actual client, and I guess that's the part that they want you to pay for. And then it's using a launcher of the Forge launcher, which I don't need any of that. But go to multiplayer thing, and then just say the prompt that seemed to sort of work, at least with this model, is mine for Minecraft resources. So we're going to do that. We're going to look for our guy first, see if he's run off. somewhere. Okay, staring at me. And we're gonna say mine for Minecraft resources. So you'll see down here is what it's doing. And I think we might have, yeah, here's the server end. So now it's trying to figure out what commands to run. It's trying to figure out how to run. So the profile itself identifies what actions are available. So that will kind of helps it stay in its lane, essentially. So eventually we might get something. Yeah, stone. It doesn't really know what stone is. So tell it it's just saying stone over and over again. So there's not anything that is stone. So maybe I can say for Minecraft resources, Minecraft oak logs. See if that helps. It's going to me. It's still searching for stone. So we can come in here and say stop. Stop up and end goal, and then say oak mine for Minecraft oak log. Let's see if that helps, because there's like oak logs around here. Let's see if we get something. So that search for block oak log 32, that's it trying to look for oak logs. I don't know why we're looking for a chest, because there's no chest around. So it looks like he's mining some dirt. Nope, he mined some. And I did notice that he seems to be mining from further away, which may or may not cause problems. So now he's mining stuff. So with that said, you can actually go in here and look at what it's doing, or look at what the models are doing. So you come in here and say, don't want to unregister, want to hook into this. So WSLD, that's the instance name, and here's what you want to do. And let's see, I don't know the command actually. It's system. Let me look and see. Okay, so we can go in here. This is the command to look at what it's doing. And here's Ollama service. Now we can see the posts. It's not verbose, but we can see the post coming in through Ollama. So we can see the post coming in through Ollama here. We can see it kind of talking to itself here. So this is actual Minecraft. This is the server, and this is the PowerShell logs in the background. So not sure what he's doing now. But anyways, that's pretty much it. This is a small, what is it, 7B parameter or whatever. So it's able to do some basic stuff. Anyways, I hope that helps out and helps you guys get going, because I know a lot of the times local models are confusing, and then people don't understand that their video card is not supported by whatever. And I can show you that too here in a second. So I've gone in here and modified the file to show us an error, what that error would look like if you didn't have a dedicated GPU. So if we click the Minecraft, we'll get this error, dedicated GPU not found. Please wait, and also read this message. It does not look like you have dedicated GPU with dedicated GPU memory. This is different than shared GPU or GPU memory. And then it's revealed, no, really. You're likely wasting your time. Look up the YouTube for Google Colab Ollama, blah, blah, blah. So that's kind of what it looks like if you're running with that non-dedicated GPU. Anyways, hope that helps out. Let me know if you have any questions or issues. Take it easy.